Hello, guys. Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can create a professional company logo using AI. So, in our case, we're going to use Gemini AI and we're going to see how it comes up with the prompt and the logo itself. So, first, uh, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps in the growth of the channel. And please like, share the video. Anyways, let's start. First, go down where it has been written first. Tap on it. We're going to change to thinking. Then let's type in uh, please give me a prompt for a professional company logo. Let's see if it will give us the logo itself or it will just come up with a prompt. Remember, this will be fast according to the speed of your internet. As you can see, it's still thinking because we selected the one that will take a little bit longer. But we'll just wait. As you can see, it has come up with the logo prompts. So the first one has given us this one and another one and another one. Yeah, so we're just gonna select any of them. So we're gonna select let's see. Let's select the first one. The second one, I mean. Let's copy it very well. Copy. Let's see if it will generate for us. Let's select quick, fast, generate. Let's copy our thing. Let's write generate. Let's see if it will generate for us the logo. Then we'll use another app. Remember, this will be fast if your internet speed is fast. So in my case, I have a slow internet speed, so we'll just have to wait and then see how it will cook. Just wow. Just wow. As you can see, this is the logo that Gemini AI has come up with. It created a prompt and it created the logo. Just see how wonderful that logo looks. Like, just wow. The keys indicate the act of real estate. The house also indicates that it's a real estate, but that actually looks like a bank. But at the end of the day, who cares? Yeah, there is your logo. So let's see if the first time we used the second. So let's see how it will create the first one. We're going to try all of these Then we will call it a day. Copy it to it, and then write generate in the beginning of the statement. Remember, this will be fast if your internet speed is fast, but if it is slow, please be patient. It's worth it. So the second logo generated is from the first prompt, which is modern and tech forward. So as you can see, it's just wonderful. Like, just look at that logo. Like, just wow, 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 wow. Remember, you'll be actually paying thousands of dollars to generate, or not to generate, but to pay a graphic designer, a professional one, to create such a logo for you. But he is Gemini AI, ready to create powerful and wonderful logos for you. Anyways, let's go to the third one. Let's copy it the way we have done it before. Copy, paste it, then write generate at the beginning, then send it. Remember, guys, again, the speed will be depending on the internet speed. So let's see how it goes. And guys, please, if you haven't subscribed and you've seen that this thing is helpful to you, please kindly help me by subscribing. It helps the channel to grow, and I'll thank you so much for that. And like the video so that it can be pushed to many people who require the same. As you can see, here's the third one. Let's see exactly if it has generated whatever it wrote. Creative marketing, no, organic wealth, beauty, eco-friendly. As you can see, it has created exactly what the prompt was saying. So let's go to the last one and see how it goes. Let's copy it well, then paste it. Let's first write, let's paste it, then write generate in the beginning. Don't forget, generate, then send it. Remember, guys, again, this will be fast if your internet speed is fast, but also be patient because it's actually generating. Wait for it to cook, then give in your comments. And remember also, you can also give Gemini your own opinions on how you want your logo to look like. Then you can tell the AI to enhance your prompt. Then you can just send your prompt directly so that it can generate for you. As you can see, let's see if it has generated exactly what it has said. The way I'm reading, it has actually generated exactly what it has prompted. So as you can see, here's the first logo. Here is the second logo. Here is the third logo. And here is the fourth logo. So as you can see, it has generated very, 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 very wonderful logos. And if you want any changes, you can just type in, then it can regenerate again. Like in our case, for example, let's say in the last logo, can you remove, or can you change the name to BMO Tech? Let's BMO Tech. Let's see if it will change. And if it won't, I'll just show you in another video what to do. But anyways, let's see. As you can see, it's generating on the last logo. Is this the last logo? This is not the last logo. We were not but it actually, oh, I know what has happened. I know what has happened. If you're very, very keen, you can know what has happened. It has gone directly to the tech one, because as you can see, the first one looks techish, yeah, you don't know if that's a word, but it looks like one for technology. So it has gone directly to that because that is the one that gives the technology vibe and changed it. So it's not that accurate, but if you want to change the exact name, you'll need to download that that logo, then upload it, and then write your prompt down there, and it will do well for you. Anyways, if this has helped you, please like the video, share to those who need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos. Anyways, see you next time.